banibanga batusaze
sente bazijja nze ndabalabye nga mwetawula wano
tugende maaso
ate eriwa werizi nze kasanda babawala wano sente bawa bawano bebazijjako
tewali wano mafia
no nimala mbafumulamu abo abali mu department omwo I know how the mafias operate.
Tewali mafia tugende maaso
Mugambi bawa bana abetawula demu yetawule wano mubeteke wano ndabada adamu kwetawula wano kwaba abana abawala
tewali mafia mzee tugende maaso
Nkugamba what is this chief in the Bank of Uganda did is comparable to a cattle trader who finds a Mujima man in Kampala and assumes that he is a cattle keeper and pays him money before stating that he has cows. However, like in the Roman scenario, I could to prove that she was a hard-working side director, arrested the permanent secretary and left the Bank of Uganda safe. The permanent secretary would not have stolen the money if it was not released by Bank of Uganda. If it was actually a criminal